Guess what? There's a secret software in town that's handing out free 600 bucks. Yep, you heard it right. This app slides you a sweet 600 bucks, and the best part? It's up for grabs on both iOS and Android. And nope, downloading it doesn't cost a dime. Ready to roll? I've got 2 more apps up my sleeve to tell you about. These ones are a bit different from the third one, but equally money-making. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now that you're in on the game plan for maximizing your earnings from these 3 apps, let's break it down. The first pair of apps bring in the bucks just by getting them on your device. After that, I'll spill the beans on the third app we haven't talked about yet, and it's another $600 waiting for you. Alright, before we dive into the website action, make sure you're all set up with a PayPal account. Don't worry if you prefer something else. You can also set up an online bank account. Just Google online banking options in your country and sign up on their website. With that sorted, let's keep moving. I'll walk you through the nitty-gritty on my computer. But before I reveal the app that's putting 600 bucks in your pocket, let me introduce you to these 2 others. Hang tight, the unmentioned app is coming up. Get paid with a Money SMS app. First up, let's talk about moneysmsapp.com. This site dishes out a free app that's like a money magnet for your smartphone. Here's how it works. You download the app, make an account, and then it starts sending you SMS messages. These messages don't need any response or action from you. They're basically just numbers you can delete. But here's the cool part. You get paid for each message you receive, and you don't have to lift a finger. Install the app, and you'll get paid for every text message that comes in. It's all about that passive income. The Money SMS app is all set for both iOS and Android, except for one catch. The Android version can read SMS messages, so it's exclusively for Android devices. And no worries, your privacy is respected and the app's secure. Oh, and there's a bonus. You can earn 30% of what your referrals make, turning them into a passive income stream. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Passive income with Cash Magnet. Next in line is cashmagnet.com, a platform made just for Android users. This one's like a rewards bonanza, offering more than the Money SMS app. Here's how it rolls. You score passive income by watching ads or playing games. The money stacks up even when you're not glued to your phone. And the cool thing? You can install it on multiple devices to turbocharge your passive income. Gem out and earn with Current. Last but not least, let's talk about Current. This app's available on both iOS and Android, and it's all about cashing in while you groove to music. Snag it on the App Store or Google Play Store, and then get ready to earn. Tune into over 100 radio stations, and the more you listen, the more points you rack up. These points, spend them on your favorite brands and more. Oh, and Current works in plenty of countries. Now that you're in the know of these 3 apps, go check out my other videos for more of the same. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!